Many of you know I don't like file trees in Neovim, and that's because I'm right about it, and you should probably just use something else to navigate your code. But there is a little bit different thing in my mind for a directory viewer and or we'll say editor, and I think the best one in my mind is Oil Nvim. Oil edit your file system like a buffer. First, great tagline, but also great plugin. Let me just show you what it can do because I think it's really great. We're using lazy, right? So this is all we really need to do. We can go ahead and open up our config options here. We'll go ahead and go here. We'll make a new option. We'll call it Oil Lua. Return this bad boy here, and we'll paste in what we've got. And what this tells me is we could use dev icons. I think it's fine. We can use mini icons. Seems good. And let's leave this here. We'll go ahead. We'll open this back up and let's see what happens once we've got mini. So the difference now that we have with oil is that instead of having nerd tree started, when we edit this, we just get these nice little buffers without anything else. And watch what happens. Let's say I make a new line and I say very cool.lua. And then I save this. It's going to say, would you like to create very cool Lua? I sure would. I press enter. Print wow. Okay, so we just made that new file by editing it, right? And if we go back here again, let's say I change this to supercool.lua. And it says, would you like to move very cool Lua to super cool? Yes, I would. So all the stuff that you do normally in Neovim with lines and stuff, oh yeah, we can delete this. We can put it in here. We can drop it right here. We can save. And then it will say, you want to move it between these spots? Yeah, yes, I do. What if we wanted to say floating? No, that couldn't possibly work, could it? Oh, it does. Oh, yep, it does. It does. Floating cool. Wow. And we have still, we have floating terminal. It doesn't work because that's not really the name that we want anymore. But regardless, we can do float terminal. That's the thing we made in the last video, right? And let's say we were done with this file, right? We can just go back. We can just delete floating cool. We can do this. We can say yes and delete it. You can navigate up with minus. You can navigate down with here. You can just rename stuff. You can move it. It's incredible. So I'm a huge fan. If you need more things about what you can do inside of Oil, you just go and check some of the options. Maybe you want to hide certain files. You want to turn on certain options. Those are all good things. But even just the very base, simple defaults right out of the right out of the gate, I think are awesome, and I really like them. I think the only thing here that we don't have is there's no super easy way to edit the current file in the default options. And so to do that, you just run, let's say you're inside of here. I think you can just run oil and it will edit the current files directory. So you could add oil as a custom key map for yourself. I use it as just minus in my personal config. So it'd just be something like this, Vim key map set. And then I would just do minus like this. And we could go command oil like this. And we run this. So now I press dash, it'll just go back to here. And now I'm editing this. You can navigate around, but this is not the way to navigate. Remember, to do navigation, still better, I think, to use Fuzzy Finder or something like that. But it is really nice for doing file-based operations and maybe just a little bit of exploring. So that's Oil Nvim. I'm a huge fan. It's one of my favorite plugins of 2024. And just at the end of this video, I don't have a real particular ad to run, but I want to give a big shout out to the people who come and hang out in my Twitch stream. Particularly, I want to give a shout out to Code Girl. I told Code Girl I would give her a shout out here at the end of one of the videos. She's been one of the big reasons we're able to stream. She's helping out the stream a lot, and she's just a lovely person. So anyways, thanks Code Girl for being a supporter of the stream and everybody else who watches on Twitch. Bye, everybody. Have a great Advent day. Bye.